Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. The Police Criminal Investigations Branch, CIB, says it's making slow progress with investigations into the murder of 14-year-old Yetania Francis and are therefore appealing to residents of West Street in Arnett Gardens to assist them in their probe. The cops say they still have not identified any suspects in the case because the residents have remained silent. The constituency's Member of Parliament, Mark Golding, is also calling on residents to cooperate.
It is a terrible event. It is one which the community should not and will not tolerate. I'm calling on all members of the community in that area of South St. Andrew to say what they know to the authorities.
Yetania was raped and murdered and her body set ablaze sometime between Thursday night and Friday morning. It's understood that about 8 o'clock Thursday evening, Yetania left home for a nearby shop to purchase food. When she did not return home, a search was launched by residents of the community, but she was not found. Her nude, partially burnt body was found in a section of the community by residents about 11:30 Friday morning. The cops are asking persons who may have seen or heard anything regarding this incident to contact the Denhamtown Police CIB at 876-948-6443 or 876-922-6441, Police 119 emergency number, Crime Stop at 311-811, or the nearest police station.